In this video, we will cover asset types you can use in Adobe Dimension CC and how to search for licensed and managed assets in the application, including assets from Adobe Stock's 3D Assets collection. Let's get started with a quick overview of the types of assets you can use in Dimension. First, we have models. These are 3D objects you can use in your scene. Then we have materials, which you can use to create realistic models. Materials can be applied to any 3D surface to dramatically change their look and feel. Next, let's look at lights. Change the whole mood and ambience of this scene by switching to a new image-based light. Illuminate the scene with an image that gets rotated around the whole environment. And finally, we have image. You can use image file in many different ways in Adobe Dimension. You can use as image as a material and also to add graphic as a layer over materials. I can also use the image as a background and even create an image-based light the image to light the scene. You can change the properties of materials by using image for roughness and to after its metallic properties. The assets we just cover are free and comes shipped with the application. You can easily bring your own assets into Dimension. If you already have in the library, just drag them into the scene to use as a background or an environment light, a graphic, or as a part of material. You can also go directly to the Adobe Stock website. Once you are signed in, any assets new license will sync with your library. And you will be able to use it directly in your Dimension project. Of course, even though I got these assets from stock, you can bring assets you get from anywhere into the application by importing from the file menu or dragging and dropping from your desktop. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.